you are going to love the 2019 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.